how are you all doing? It's Jason here and welcome back to another unboxing video. This unboxing video is a little bit different if you haven't already. I think the second, third, or whatever video it was a video with a big box and I unveiled the Polish WZ2000 helmet and it came in a big box. I said that twice, just wanted to emphasize. This unboxing video is going to be like that. It's in a big box if you'll allow me to show you. It is in a big box. Let me just flip this. It's by Americana Pipedream, which I think at this point I spent well over $1,000 on this stuff. I have deep pockets for this military surplus stuff. We're gonna get right into the unboxing as soon as I can find my switchblade. You guys already know what time it is. That's right, we're cutting into the box and we're gonna figure out what we got today. So I have this amazing app called the USPS app along with the UPS app, and it allows me to track down my packages. And according to those apps, I have a package coming in on Monday, which is neat. And then I ordered something from Europe and I have no idea when that's coming in, but as soon as that pops up on the tracking app, I'll figure it out and I'll let you guys know. This is just like the helmet video, whenever that was a long time ago, but this is in a really big box as well. Oh wow, yes, we got the bubble wrap. You know it's serious. Check this out, guys. This one's a little bit different, or actually a lot different. We got German combat boots, and the laces are holding this now, which is not cool. Yeah, we got German combat boots. Look at that. Pretty standard stuff. I think they're already used. They don't look that banged up, but you can tell like there's a bit of dirt on it. Yeah, they've definitely been used. Like they look like they've been through a lot. I mean, maybe they don't look like they've been through a lot, but you get the idea. There really isn't much to show here because I don't want to wear this inside because they're already dirty. This is pretty much the only thing we have today. Boots. That's it. And off camera, I'm gonna put the laces together and then wear this tomorrow because this is really, really cool. And that's it. That's all there is to show. Like, what am I gonna do? Put this on camera and then like hike my feet all the way up so I can show you guys? I don't think that's gonna happen. My flexibility has pretty much been in the bin a long time ago. I'm not even gonna try to show that on camera. This is the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Again, these are just standard German combat boots. And if I didn't say they were combat boots, you literally wouldn't know. Like, you'd think they're just another pair of boots. Like, just your average, everyday, workday boots. Like, you know, there really isn't much to it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a really short one, again, because there isn't anything big to see. It's not that super impressive. I mean, maybe to you guys it might be because the first time I've ever shown shoes on camera. I hope you guys have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. See you guys later.
Bitch.